In today's video, we're going to talk about 12 ways to earn money in freelancing using ChatGPT. Freelancing has become a popular way of making money, especially in today's digital age. ChatGPT is an excellent platform for freelancers to find work and earn a living. Here are 12 ways to earn money in freelancing using ChatGPT. Writing and editing services. If you have a flair for writing, you can offer your writing and editing services for clients who need to create high-quality content, such as blog posts, articles, and social media posts. Graphic design. If you're a graphic designer, you can offer services such as logo design, web design, and infographics. Virtual assistants. Freelancers can offer administrative support to clients, including email management, data entry, and scheduling. Social media management. Freelancers can offer social media management services, such as creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and running ad campaigns. Web development. If you have web development skills, you can offer services such as website design, development, and maintenance. Translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, you can offer translation services for clients who need content translated into different languages. Content marketing. Freelance content marketers can offer services such as content creation, SEO optimization, and email marketing. Video editing. If you have video editing skills, you can offer services such as editing and post-production for videos, including adding special effects, music, and sound effects. Copywriting. Freelance copywriters can offer services such as writing sales copy, product descriptions, and ad copy. Podcast production. Freelance podcast producers can offer services such as recording, editing, and producing podcasts for clients. Illustration and animation. If you have illustration and animation skills, you can offer services such as creating illustrations, animations, and motion graphics. Consulting services. Freelance consultants can offer services such as business, marketing, and financial advice to clients. So, those are the 12 ways to earn money in freelancing using ChatGPT. Remember, the key to succeeding in freelancing is to market your skills and deliver high-quality work. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next one.